find something.
Coffee if you want.
Okay, I'll hear what we decide on. Guys, just got to Johnny's and apparently the kitchen just closed for lunch, and this is my best lunch spot. Let me just show you the place. It's very nice. Gloomy weather. It is gloomy. Weather is water bottle. This is weather meant for people in their water bottles. I'm not looking for a restaurant. I just got my drip and I'm looking for a restaurant. Something different. I'm in a good mood today. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of my drip or what. But it's very cloudy. Very, very cloudy. And I forgot my tripod, so I'm holding my phone like a mad person. So yeah. I know I'm probably gonna go to Mojo Market. I'm not sure. Because I think I passed all the restaurants and I'm so tired of going to the same place over. Yeah. I don't know what to have first. So guys, oh, they literally fall it up to the brim. It's a gloomy day, but it's beautiful. I love this weather. I love it. Basically, Mojo Market is like, it's a huge building. Mojo Market is like a huge building that has little stores inside, like little restaurant stores, and you get whatever from healthy meals to the junkiest junk to different types of liquor, cocktails, different types of beers. And with the food, you get different varieties of food. They sell some shawarmas, seafood, different wines, different salads. So literally anyone can come here and you can get whatever you want. It's a really nice place, a really nice spot. So yeah, best of both worlds. So guys, here's my food. So I'm about to eat again. I had mussels and now I'm about delish. I forgot my tripod today. Worst mistake. The sun is now peeking through. Look at my skin. It is skinning. It's now time to go home. What a sort of productive day. So I'm going to go. Guys, this wig, I shame. This wig is the slums, but either way we move. I used to love this wig, but man, young pork. But anyway, let's go home. Do a cleaning and inquire about braces. I'm thinking about getting them on. I'm not sure yet.